Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this folding treadmill. This is a really neat treadmill because it actually has the arms up on it, but you can fold it right out of the way, and it's got the wheels to be able to move it, and it's a super simple process to set up. So I'm going to show you how to do it. All you've got to do is just lift up this little handrail, and then we lock this into place with the required hardware here that they provide. They've just got a couple little bolts you put down at the bottom, and then that will place this where you need it to be. So you get one side in, and then we just take these bigger ones, and there is a hole right up here at the top that we just screw that in. And once you get both of those in, then we will adjust the top screen on here. So our top then just comes up, and we rotate this up now that we've got that in place. And on the side here, you have another little set of screws that we just screw in the top part to make sure that that does not come off. And we tighten that down, and then we will get it plugged in and check it out. In the package, you get some hardware. You also get some oil for the machine. And then you get this is pretty much the starter button. So you can put this on there and you clip this to yourself, and it will only run when this is on, just so that way if you do fall off, it will then disable the machine. So we are going to go ahead and turn this on. I've now got it plugged in, and we have our bolts in on the sides here. Got the power button down at the bottom. And I will bring you in here close so you can take a look at the screen. So on the screen, we have our LED screen, and you have your program modes, you have your distance, your time, your calories. And since I have this plugged on here, we can actually start this up. Has your countdown, and it will go from 0.6 miles up to 7.6 miles per hour. It has a 300-pound weight limit on here and a 3-horsepower motor. And we can stop it by pushing stop, or if we remove that plug, it automatically shuts that machine down. So that is a nice little feature to have. All right, so I'm going to try out the machine here. We're going to plug that on. And then we take our little cord here and we make sure that that is attached onto us. So then if we did fall off, this comes off with us. So I'm going to start that up. You have your countdown. But it allows you to walk or run on here because it does go up to a pretty fast pace. It has a 6-layer belt on here just for your anti-slip as you are running. You know, you get sweat on there and everything. It does have a nice grip on here. Holds, like I said, up to 300 pounds. I do like that it has these handles so you can hold on while you're walking, or you can do it loosely, and then we can slow it back down. And then whenever you're done, you just simply take these little knobs out and we will put it up. So now we've got both knobs out and we have the top out, and we just put this down, wait for my dog to notice. And now we have our treadmill folded up and ready to go. And it does have these wheels right here on the front. It's a nice lightweight design that you can take and wheel wherever you need to go and put it up. And then you can store it however you want to have that stored and be ready for your next workout.